Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome to All Things Social Security. I am Stephanie Joy, the attorney at Joy Disability. Welcome to the channel, and I hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Estes in the house. Long time no see, buddy. Do disability lawyers send a summary of their client's physical limitations to the DDS for the initial disability claim? Yes, it's called your application, and the DDS has it. And then if you have, well, for us, if something new comes up, it's shared. So like with us, my clients, when they're doing what they're supposed to do, report every visit in a particular message thread we have dedicated to that. And they say what the visit was for. By the way, your function report also, yeah, that gets submitted to the DDS. And that is basically that summary. But it's helpful because outside of the application and the function report and just the records generally, you know, if my client just went to 7 appointments in 2 weeks and told me about it, and they're supposed to do it like, yeah, Michelle knows, they're supposed to do it like, I'm like, when you get home, just go to the portal and put it in there, you know, because otherwise they forget. And then we don't do anything. We have nothing to do with it because we don't even know about it. So when they send it, we actually draft a letter listing all the appointments of, say, the last 2. If they're vigorous goers, they get more letters from us, more communication, as a phone call, whatever it is, to the DDS, some sort of communication where we're telling them everything that that person did. If they only go every 3 months, obviously they're not going to get us. We have nothing to report. So I feel like that is really helpful. That's probably part of the reason why we get a little bit more in initial and recon. We still have plenty that have to go to hearing, obviously, but we don't really believe in the wait it out and see if they win. Case takes longer, drags out, blah blah blah. We don't play that. It's just it's an ethics thing on our side. So I'm just reading your question again. So I can't say what other lawyers do. We do these very literally, they're triggered by the action of the client. The more the client does, the more often we do this. The less they do, the less we are able to do. And I try to say that, like, you want to see us work our butts off, then get to the doctor. You know what I mean? I don't. I know there's lawyers that don't do that. Probably most. You know, I just didn't work at a firm that taught you to do it the way they're doing it. You know, I started this by myself, so this is just the way we do it. So I can't really say. Like, ours are consistently summarized and sent. But in any event, there's a function report. Now, granted, I don't know if your lawyer actually helps you with the function report like we do. They might not, in which case it's you giving a summary and hopefully you left nothing out and you worded it right. The application, depending on who did it, that's a summary too. You know, so there's different snapshots and updates that are available, even if you don't do what we do.